Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Steve. Here is the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. Yesterday, it was reported that Disney World will be implementing a new policy regarding park pass reservations. If a guest does not have valid theme park admission for that day, their park pass reservation will be canceled after a warning is sent. Although park pass reservations must be made with a valid ticket, sometimes guests may change the dates on their tickets, but not the dates of their park pass reservations. Disney World is attempting to curb the holding of park pass reservations when they're not connected to valid theme park admission, allowing more availability for their guests. Guests have 48 hours after receiving this warning to take action by linking a valid park admission to their My Disney Experience account or canceling their reservation. If they do not take action, their Park Pass reservation will automatically be canceled. In a similar manner, Fast Pass Plus reservations were automatically canceled to prevent guest abuse when canceling resort hotel stays in order to take advantage of the 60-day booking window. Theme park reservations for Disney's Hollywood Studios have been the hardest to come by, with reservations fully booked through July 1st for theme park ticket guests and resort hotel guests before being replenished shortly after. Hopefully, guests visiting the Disney World Resort will now have a better chance of obtaining the theme park reservations they want thanks to the new policy. After winning the Golden Globe for Best Animated Feature in February, Pixar's Soul has now won the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature. Soul is a heartwarming and humorous story about human connection and finding one's place in the world. The original Pixar film features Jamie Foxx's Joe Gardner, a middle school band teacher who gets the chance of a lifetime to play at the best jazz club in town, but one misstep takes him from the great streets of New York City to the great before, a fantastical place where new souls get their personalities, quirks, and interests before they go to the earth. 20th Century Studios has released the first trailer for West Side Story, which is scheduled to release in theaters on December 10th, 2021. Current and furloughed cast members at Disney World will be receiving a complimentary one-night resort stay, and now we've learned that resort hotels will be automatically assigned as a term of the offer. Resort hotels will be automatically assigned based on a first-come, first-served basis. The system will factor in the day and the hotel availability at the time of registration, which can vary by time of day and date. A list of resort hotels included in the special cast member offer, but they are subject to change, and not all resort hotels will be available on all days and dates, are Disney's Art of Animation, Disney's Boardwalk Inn, Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Contemporary, Disney's Colorado Springs, Disney's Grand Floridian Spa and Resort, Disney's Polynesian Village, Disney's Riviera, Disney's Yacht Club, and the cabins at Disney's Fort Wilderness. Besides Disney's Boardwalk Inn Resort and Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, all of these resorts are currently open. After sharing information on their solar facilities around the world, Disney Parks has posted a video of their 270-acre Walt Disney World solar farm where energy is harnessed from the sun to help power the resort, while creating habitats for the bees, butterflies, and bugs that pollinate the world outside of it. Dr. Zach, conservation manager with Disney Conservation, explains solar energy production is a critical component of fighting the climate crisis, and is excited to announce that this solar facility off of State Road 429 provides energy to power 2 out of the 4 Walt Disney World theme parks. Not only does this solar facility provide energy with its emerging technology, but it also creates habitat from the species that live in Central Florida, such as native plants, bees, butterflies, grasshoppers, and so much more. This in turn creates pollinator habitats that provide benefits for pollinators and other wildlife. In Florida, there are over 200 different types of butterflies and 300 different types of bees. A welcome back banner has been erected along Disneyland Resort ahead of the theme park's reopening. The banner is an extension of the 65th anniversary banner that was hung a few months ago, with this specific section previously promoting A Touch of Disney. Welcome Back is next to a smiling Mickey Mouse and surrounded by celebratory streamers and balloons. The tram route was open for guests to walk to and from A Touch of Disney at Disney California Adventure, but trams have not been running since the parks closed in March of 2020. It will likely act as a walkway once again when Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure reopens on April 30th, 2021. Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea remain open as they reside quite literally next to the border between Tokyo and their home, Chiba Prefecture. Although exempt from orders to close at present, a minor adjustment has been made to operations. All alcohol sales are now suspended at the resort through May 11th. The third state of emergency measures call for the suspension of all alcohol sales in bars and restaurants. And although Chiba and other bordering prefectures are still under a quasi-emergency rather than a full declaration, the areas surrounding Tokyo have agreed to adopt the measure in order to prevent potential border hoppers from spreading COVID-19 in search of alcohol sales. Through May 11th, all alcohol beverages will be removed from restaurant menus at Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo DisneySea, and all dining outlets at Ikspiari. Alcohol was only introduced to Tokyo Disneyland last November, bringing an end to a 37-year tradition. All eyes are on Tokyo Disney Resort, as the two parks remain the only major theme parks still operating in Japan amid the latest state of emergency. Only time will tell if Tokyo Disney Resort will eventually face a second closure. Thank you to all you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Also, share with a friend. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington, for more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We are over 900 followers. We're close to 1,000. Thank you to everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started. Thank you for the support, and remember, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.